Attention! This is what happens if you eat eggs from the fridge. The advance of technology is one of the things that has benefited us the most over the years. However, this can also be dangerous if we do not consider certain risks. One of them can hide in the place less thought, the refrigerator. If you are one of the people who keeps the eggs in the refrigerator, be very careful, you are exposed to a serious danger. Just as the cold in the refrigerator serves to conserve food longer, you can also keep some bacteria alive for longer. One of these bacteria is Salmonella, belonging to the family Enterobacteriaceae. This bacterium is composed of gram-negative, facultative anaerobic bacilli with pericardial flagella. This is usually present in birds, eggs, beef, and even some fruits and vegetables. This is also present in the skin of some pets as reptiles. Therefore, after caressing or manipulating them, it is recommended to wash your hands deeply. For this reason, you should not store the eggs in the refrigerator. When the chicken lays eggs, if it is infected with Salmonella bacteria, it also infects the egg. As this bacteria can survive the cold, when we introduce the eggs to the refrigerator, we keep the bacteria alive. In addition, in the cold, it is easier to spread the environment, polluting other foods. When this bacteria is contracted, its symptoms can range from 4 to 7 days. This disease is diagnosed through an examination of the stool. Those most at risk when contracting it are children, elderly, or people suffering from other diseases. The symptoms are as follows: sickness, vomiting, fever, loss of appetite, headache, abdominal cramps, diarrhea. In view of the above, some countries in Europe have designed laws prohibiting the storage of eggs in the refrigerator or refrigerators. This measure was taken to prevent the spread of Salmonella in European families. You should also avoid storing eggs in the refrigerator so as not to expose yourself to this danger. Also, you can help other people to be alert of the danger of putting the eggs in the refrigerator. To do this, you just have to share this video on social networks.